So when you get started, you will ask some series of questions, so let's check them out. Okay, it's loading, please. Let's wait for some time. So I would advise you to create for affiliate marketing or freelance SMB. So let's affiliate marketer. So just click affiliate marketer. So get paid by publisher network, promote Payoneer, earn commission. So let's blah blah blah. So get paid by publisher networks and platforms. That's why you register. So you click register. You click register. So please, you have to pick individual, right? Just pick individual, then put your first name here. Then put James. Then put James. James. Please ensure that the name you are putting, you have the national ID for it, because they will ask for your national identity card, so they can know, they can validate if you are legit or if you are not an impersonator. Please. So I won't fill it because I don't have a national ID for this name I'm using. So I'll just show you. Just fill in the right information you needed, then you'll be asked to go through all that. Just fill in here and everything. But let me show you a typical Payoneer account and how you can get your payment from I mean how you can get your bank details and put in your Amazon bounty program, right? So I will show you a typical one that have been created now. Alright, so welcome back. This is an Amazon Payoneer account. So I want to show you where to get your bank account. Just come here, you come to get paid. So let's see. So you request a payment. If you have a payment, but we are looking at how to get our account number from it. So just come to receiving account. So Payoneer will give you 2 bank accounts from US and other countries. So let's check this out. So these are your details. So let's check the second one out. So this is my US bank account. You can see the details. You just copy them one after the other and put it under the your Amazon bounty, so you can put it there, right? So you get that. Other one, you can always, if you want to withdraw your money, you will just withdraw it into your local bank account. You withdraw to bank. I've already synced my local bank account there, so I can get the money into my local bank account. You can say it. I'll put everything I need to put there. So that's that about that. I think I was able to explain to you in a short while what you need to do, how to create an account. If you have any question, I'll put down our Telegram platform in the description button below. Please do much more to ask questions. I'm open to you to ask questions. I'm always available to answer your questions. Please, if you get value from this video, try to comment, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thank you. If you are looking for the first post I made on how to get started with Amazon bouncing and the things that you need to do, the link you have to click. Get the first video in my videos gallery. You see it there, right? I made a video on how to get started with Amazon bounty. This is to show you how to social your account and put in your bank details, then you get paid. Don't forget that Amazon pays at the end of the month. Every 30th of the month you get your pay, right? So I look forward to receiving your questions. Thank you.